Okay, guys, good morning. I thought I'd show you guys how I buy that stuff on eBay because, well, if we can save a couple of bucks, who doesn't want that, right? Okay, so what I do is I go to eBay, and I always go to eBay USA, so .com, and when I get there, I'm already checked in because I'm on here a lot. And as you can see down here, I was going to point with my finger, but that doesn't work, right? You can only see my little cursor. Okay, here you already see some of these jewels that I used in my latest resin pour. See, 99 cents, you get 5. Now this is an auction, I'm pretty sure. Yep, see that? 1 day, 18 hours left. And I can place a bid. I'll place a bid of $1. That comes down. Oh, I got to do a little bit higher, so I'll do 110. See if I get that. Yep, now I'm the highest bidder. And as you can see up here, it says that I'm the highest bidder. So we'll see what happens. This is 1 day, 18 hours left to go. I'm pretty sure someone's going to go over, but we'll see. Now, what's important, if you follow my little cursor here, is that it says shipping is free. Because sometimes, and that's sort of a little thing that eBay does, it looks like it's real cheap, but then down here it says like $2 for shipping, then the whole thing will be pretty expensive, so we don't do that. Now, when I'm going for my beads, all I do is put it up here, put in beads, and then AB, and AB is the iridescent kind. So then we go search them. Now I get a lot of search results, as you can see. Lots and lots. Wow, look at those beads there. So you see a lot of beads, and the easiest thing, the cheapest, is on the left here you see your search filters. So what I do is I choose this one, auction, put a dot. Now it finds all the auctions, and then I put in free shipping, because you don't want to have a little mistake that you buy something for 25 cents and then you have to pay $2 shipping, because that would really, break the deal. So this is all free shipping, and this is really cheap. This is like, wow, 300 of these. But what I do up here is where you can sort through the listings. I put them on ending soonest, because you want to know what's going to be ending in the next couple of minutes. So here we have one that is 100 Lake Blues. That is not such a good deal, so I'll just go and see, like, this is crazy. I don't know why these people are paying $8 for 4 times 6, 295. That is this is very expensive. So don't go for that. First, you got to do some looking into what these beads go for normally before you get into one of these bidding wars with someone and you pay way too much. So we're going down and we're looking. See, this is the thousand of these, and because I put in AB, that it's iridescent, so it has those different colors shining on them. Now this is pretty cheap, so I think I'll bid on this one. It's 45 minutes left. I'm willing to pay $2, so I'm going to place the bid. I might get it, I might not, who knows, we'll see. Confirm it. No, someone already bid more than that, so we'll just leave it as is. I'm sure they're pretty happy with me that I, bumped up the bid price. So we're going to go back to the results. And we're going to go and look for something that we like. So these are pretty good. But I got a lot of those, I think. Okay. Then, these I really like, but that's 100, and then it's 4 times 6. Maybe I already bid on those. No, I didn't. Okay, I'll place a bid. Don't want to do 2. Don't think so. I'd like to do 115. I've been outbid, so let's go move on. Now don't get into it that you think, okay, I'll bid again and again and again. Just leave it and go back to your search results, and I'm sure you'll find exactly the same one. We'll go find one. Ooh, I like these too. I like those. Let's see what we can do with this one. Place bid. I'll do $1. Yep. Oops, no, sorry. But see, this makes me the highest bidder, so go back. We'll see what if we get them. And we'll go, ooh, that is really cheap. That's 76 times 8 millimeters. They're pretty big. Let's take those. Because, you know, when you're doing this, I'd like to go to 99 cents. Confirm. Okay. But remember that because we're bidding on auctions, it's not to say that you're going to get all these, because a lot of people do the auction thing. So, going to the next one. Now, what we're doing here is because I've filtered on ending the soonest, we're getting, see here you have them again, 6 times 8, and now you get 140. That's a lot. That's a lot of beads. But we'll just leave it. That's 55 cents, 2 bids. Because, you know, a lot of people do the auction thing, so you might, if you place like 50 bids on 50, you know, bead things, you might get 10 or 5, who knows. Depends on how many people are on these beads. But as you can see here, these are those pink ones that just went away for, which I showed you for $8. Now you have 70 for 75 cents. So you got to be really careful not to get yourself in a bidding war. These are big ones too. I think I'll take those too. Because you never know how many we're going to get. So let's put that in for 99 cents. Place bid. Confirm. Highest bidder. Always watch this bid up here that really your bid went through and that you're the highest bidder. Go back. Well, I guess you get the picture about how to get those beads really cheap. And I'm sort of searching for, I already bid on that, I think. Man, that's not a lot. See, these are 2 millimeters. These are really small. And 300 looks like a lot, but it's not really. So you have to always make sure what you're doing on here. You sort of want to, you know, like this is cheap. 300, and there are 3 times 4 millimeters. They're very small, but I think they would normally sell for $2, something like that, if you buy them straight away. That's pretty expensive. This is kind of cheap. But you can just see what you want. I think I bid on this. Yeah, see that? I'm the highest bidder. I bid on that. You never know what you get. But these are 10 grams, so 700 for that money. That's okay. Now, anything else that I'd like to show you on eBay? I don't think so. I don't really do much on eBay anymore. Only the beads, because that's really cheap. And glass nuggets are way too expensive on here. I'll show you the glass nuggets. Now, you don't want these. They are way too expensive. Let's see. Oh, there they are. But I don't know what these people are doing. They three of these nugget things for $1. That's crazy. That is really, really crazy. Let's see if I got that right. Yeah, really, you get 3 of these pebbles. That is crazy. People don't do this because that is so expensive. I'll show you where I buy them. Let's see. Glass nuggets for stained glass. Ooh, here we have one in the UK. Let's see what they ask for this stuff. Oh no, that is also eBay, but eBay UK. Let's see how much they take. A crystal. Do we have anything iridescent? Oh yeah, clear iridescent. That doesn't look very iridescent to me. Turquoise crystal. Well, okay. And oh wow, that is expensive, guys. Look at that, 10 of them for $2 or £2. That is crazy. I'll show you where I buy them. Here you have 2 kilos for €9. That is crazy. €9, 2 kilos. That's a lot. That's really really bad that they don't, put in the amount. But I did have another one where I did have the amount. So let's see. This one. This side is a little bit, okay. Here you have 2 kilos for €10. And it's between 500 and 600 pieces for €10. So that is really, really cheap. And if you're in the UK, as you can see up here, I'll do the pound sterling. So it's £9.55 for 2 kilos. You get 500 to 600 of these. I might even, start with some beginner package that people that want to do the resin, because I bought a lot of these yesterday. All sorts of colors, but all with the iridescent shimmer on them. So I might just, make a package for beginners. That might be cool. But as you can see, oh, and what I bought, this is really cute. This is mini mosaic. That is so cool. Let's see if I can find the transparent ones. I know that this, let's see, micro mixes. Nope, they're all, where is the ones that are see-through? I found them yesterday. Well, not see-through, but really, let's see. Oh, when I see this, I really want to do that. I want to do everything. But that is really cool. All these beautiful colors of mosaic. But I'm looking for something else, guys. I can't find it. Let's see. That's mirror, art glass. Round. Let's see about this. Ooh, that's pretty too. Wow, look at that. You don't want me on one of these sites. It's not good for me. Look at those stones. They're beautiful. Wow. I think I would like something like, oh wow, look at that for in a bathroom. Would that be beautiful? These two. Oh, look at that. I can go crazy about this stuff. Yeah, I'd like one of those. Sorry about that. I'm getting a little bit distracted. Let's see about this one. What this is. Oh, yeah. These are the tiny, tiny ones. But I bought a mix. And I'm not finding the mix here because I'm going to put these into. These are glass little mosaic squares, but really small. But where's the mix? Let's see. Oh, here they are. Mixes. I bought this one, I think. It's 5 pounds, and you get, let's see, about 800 of these little ones. So I'm gonna do that, squares and those pebbles and all the nuggets and beads, and I'm gonna make something really special. But first I have to get some glass because I'm out of glass. So okay. Now that was about it. Let's see if